This is the unboxing of the TONOR RGB USB microphone. It's a Cardioid Condenser computer PC mic with tripod stand, has a pop filter, shock mount for gaming, streaming, podcasting, YouTube, Twitch, compatible laptop, desktop, TC30, and just fixed setting for RGB. It comes with 2 years warranty. Okay, we've got the manuals. Setup manual. Different languages. Okay. What's this? Okay, that's the front mic panel. Made of cloth. Look at the microphone. And that's where the RGB is supposed to be going. And it has a USB socket. And this is a stand. And that's it. And that's it. Now we'll do the setup. So you get it set up like similar like that. Okay. So you got your tightener here. 3 legs. So you can mount it any position you want. And you can tighten it from here. Okay, you mount it any position you want. So let's show it in. It has these strings where you can wrap around these corners. Yeah. Let's push it in. Get this. Well, I want it sticking out a bit so I can see the microphone and it's sticking out. It is square. It'll look great on a tripod. And just tighten that. Now I need to put on the front panel. It just slots into there, push straight in for how far you want it to go. I'll have it here, just touching the end of that. Won't go any further. Okay, it's now connected up. You can now see the RGB changing colors. Just flip it to the side. That is just awesome. It's great for your setup, even if you're gaming or video editing at night time. You can see your microphone, and it goes great with your RGB builds. And the RGB is static. It changes. It's a fixed few color statics, and you can't change this. It's not color changing to your personalized color. It just rotates. Sound quality is good. You're hearing my voice from it right now. It's connected up, and it's all right. Another thing you can do this is, some people want a microphone with a webcam, a good quality microphone with a webcam. You can mount a webcam on top of this. You can. So you can just grab your webcam microphone, make a video. I love this product. And that's it, folks. That was unboxing of the TONOR RGB microphone. The link will be in the description if you wish to buy it from Amazon.